say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Oh, thus be it ever, when men shall stand between their loved homes and the war's desolation, blessed with victory and peace, made and rescued land. Praise the God that hath made and preserved us a nation. Then conquer we must when our cause is just, and this beyond motto, in God is our trust, and the stars that